The Chicago program actually started when I was in Chicago. Nim and I are both from University of Illinois, and we met up with Howard Tillman out there, who started this thing called 1871. So it's an amazing campus out there. They've combined everything from universities, companies, and then schools like ours to really create this very cool ecosystem of. I told Howard it felt like Silicon Valley, the geography of Silicon Valley compressed into one, 10,000 square or 100,000 square feet in Chicago. So that's where Connie is coming in live from. I think Connie is back. Connie, you want to give us an audio test?
Yeah, of course. So hey, my name is Connie. I'm the senior phase instructor for the teams presenting from Chicago today. Full Stack Chicago is essentially the same program as the one in New York with the same curriculum and staff, just in a different city. If anyone tuning in today is interested in learning more about the campus here, I encourage you to reach out to us. Now, I'm very excited to be introducing the projects that we'll be demoing today, the first one being Sous, as in a sous chef. Sous is a handy web application that makes planning and grocery shopping easier than ever. I'll hand it off to the team to tell us more about what Sous can do.
Hi, thanks Connie. My name is Alex Stauter, and I'm here with my partners, Raedy and Rick Aguayo. And we're here to present Sous, your personal grocery shopping assistant. Now, if you're anything like me, grocery shopping is a hassle. Buying all these ingredients is tough, especially when you have multiple recipes with tons of ingredients from different websites. Honestly, I'm not even allowed to grocery shop anymore because I'm guaranteed to forget something once or twice. But Sous fixes all that. With a click of a button, you can add any recipe you want from any website. You can aggregate those recipes' ingredients onto a single grocery list, and then you can buy those ingredients through a third-party grocery shopping online. So let's walk through a typical user experience. Gordon Ramsay logs in, and he's brought to his current recipe page. It's currently empty, but he wants a taco recipe from a couple weeks ago. Goes to his profile page, and there's all of his recipes. After favoriting and unfavoriting a couple, he adds a couple to his current recipes again. And he decides to go back to his recipes, and he changes the quantity of the tacos. It looks like we're having Mexican fusion tonight. Looks delicious, Gordon. Now, as he checks out his grocery list, I'll hand it off to Will.
Thanks, Alex. Gordon loves the fact that the grocery list aggregates ingredients across multiple recipes and converts units. This represented one of our technical challenges. We started with an algorithm that matched unit names and ingredient names to entries in our database. So, for example, if one recipe called for 5 stalks of celery and another called for 1 cup of small diced celery, our algorithm would produce 3 cups of celery, and that's what the grocery list would display. This approach was performant, but was difficult to scale because of the high number of edge cases. As a result, we switched to using an API that uses natural language processing, achieving the same results, but trading speed for the ability to scrape recipes off a much wider variety of websites. Furthermore, we wrote an algorithm that mapped each ingredient to a product in Peapod, an online grocery delivery service. This allows Sous to calculate the difference between the amount of ingredients that Gordon needs for his recipes and the amount in which Peapod sells those ingredients. Essentially, Peapod can predict what leftover ingredients Gordon will have after he's done cooking. As Gordon checks off the items he already has, Sous is finding recipes that will use those extra ingredients. Looks like he wants to check out the arrabbiata sauce, and at this point, I'll pass it off to Rick.
For a better user experience, we created a Chrome extension that comes in pretty handy. What you can do is just, for any recipe web page that you are on, you can click on the Add to Cart and go into your grocery list, and it updates in real time all your ingredients. Now, Gordon would like to add all his ingredients and pay for them to get them delivered to him. So he logs into Peapod. What's happening now is Sous will take all the ingredients and load them into Gordon's grocery cart. At this point, he can go into his grocery cart and purchase all his items, but he does notice that some of the specialty items are not there. So he'd like to go to his local grocery store and get those extra items. So he'll text himself that so he doesn't forget, and he knows all the extra items that he needs to get. Now Gordon has all the food he needs for his recipes in a simple and seamless way. Creating Sous was a challenging but enriching experience, deepening our knowledge of React, Redux, Node.js, Express, Sequelize, and the Chrome extension API. You can check out our app at drsue.herokuapp.com and check out our LinkedIn and GitHub profiles too there. Thank you very much.
That's very cool, Sue. That is really like kind of a. I'm sure someone deep inside Amazon they're working on that exact app right now, right?
Well, I was thinking that Blue Apron. This is
just
kind of
buy
like this is they're going to be in trouble. This is like a Blue Apron API. You know,
it really matches like what I want. It's like Blue Apron. I feel like you get those big boxes. This is exactly what I want, right? Combine some things together and then tell me what to buy.